Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cavell. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, please turn on your post notifications so that way you can be notified every time I drop a new video. I'm gonna be doing a little sale for my business, a little Valentine's Day promo. So I thought that it would be really nice to just incorporate this video, as I was getting quite a lot of views on like my last balloon tutorial. So I thought, hey, why not just incorporate this one, so that way if you guys wanted to have some gift ideas for like maybe an anniversary or a birthday or anything like that, or also Valentine's Day. So if you wanted to see how I made this, let's get into the video. So for the items that I have, these boxes, I picked them up from AliExpress, and they are just like a little square square box with like heart for the handles, and I'm gonna assemble those in just a moment. I also have some Ferrero Rocher that I'm gonna be putting on the inside of the box, and these are my two balloons. I think these are 22 inches. If I'm wrong, I will put the size on the screen. I also picked up some white and red feathers to go, because I'm going to be doing two different balloon ideas. So one I'm going to stuff with these red and white balloons, and then for the other one I'm going to put feathers in those ones. And then those are just some bamboo skewers, just so I can put the chocolate on there. And then you're going to need your glue gun and my little air pump. And also I've already printed out my or cut out my letters from my Cricut maker. And then also I have my wet foam that I already cut to fit the size of the base of the box. I also have some plant food, and I'm gonna put this in the water right now, so that way that can just absorb. And then I'm gonna put the wet foam in there so that can just absorb the water while we do all the other stuff. Try to get all of that in there. Also got a dozen roses with some baby breath to go inside of the box. You're also gonna need two balloon sticks. These ones are quite sturdy. I got them from AliExpress. Now I'm just gonna assemble the box. And then I'm just gonna cover the chocolates. Start by stretching the balloon, and then we're gonna inflate it. So I'm gonna stuff one of them with the feathers right now. And I've never done this before, so we're just experimenting. Okay, now that we have our feather inside, we are gonna just inflate that. I'm just gonna add in the balloons. Got a lot of feather around me. Now I'm gonna add some plastic to the base of the box just to protect it from getting wet once I put the wet foam inside. Now I'm gonna be cutting and arranging the flowers. So now I'm just going to add the balloon stick with the balloon on top and then just move on to adding my lettering. And there you have it, guys, the final look. I really love how they turned out. For the gold one, I did do the lettering off camera. Please leave a comment down below and let me know which one of the two arrangements were your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.